Hello there. Today's book is Dino Potty, Learn to Potty with Dino. Let's get started. Once I was a little dino. I couldn't even roar. Roar. I wore a dino diaper. That's not me anymore. You look like a big kid. I bet you roar loud too. If you're ready to go potty, I'll show you what I do. First, I have to wait until I need to poo or pee. Then I know the bathroom is where I need to be. Sometimes I struggle when I try to poo or pee. So I think about something to relax and it comes out easily. When I think I'm finished, I shout for Dad or Mom. They get me toilet paper so I can wipe my bum. Next, I flush the toilet to make the water flow. Watch me pull the handle and whoosh, away they go. After going potty, I wash my hands with soap. It cleans off all the germs. I'll get sick if I don't. When you learn to potty, the diapers go away. Because you can use the potty at any time of day. Once I was a little dino. That's not me anymore. Now I wear my big kid pants, hear my happy roar. And that's the end of the story. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you next time. Bye.